Bonjour from Vic's Kitchen. Today I'm doing the traditional French Tuile biscuit. It's tuile because that's a French word for tile, and the old roots had these curved tiles. They come either sweet or savory, but today it's going to be an orange flavored one. This is something I learned while I was in France about 11 years ago. I made these every day while I was there and became pretty handy at making them. Here we have the ingredients: an egg white, 35 grams of caster sugar, 35 grams of sifted flour, zest of half an orange, 25 grams melted butter, and a drop of vanilla paste if you like. So let's get started. First I'm going to add the egg white, give it a whisk. Then I'm going to add the sugar while whisking slowly. We're not going to get peaks here, we just want to mix it in quite nicely. It's coming together already. Oops, a little too much sugar went in there. Alright, so that's the sugar done. Now it's the flour. Okay, so that's all the flour in. Just want to give it a nice blend there. Next, it's the orange zest. You can add a drop or two of orange juice as well if you want to, but let's just go with the traditional recipe. And last of all, it's the melted butter. Right, I'm going to keep mixing it. Once you're happy with the mix, you put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Get the oven on, 180 degrees fan or 200 degrees normal. So here's the batter. This makes 6 to 8 biscuits. You can quite easily double or triple the ingredients and keep the spare batter in the fridge and bake them as you feel like. I'm going to take a teaspoon now and put it on the tray. As you can see, I've already put 3 down. You could put 6 on here, but I like to keep it a little bit spaced out because they do spread sometimes. Right, so quite nice and thin. It's a bit of a difficult job because, as you know, pastry just sticks to the spoon. There might be some tricks that I don't know about to get rid of this little problem. A little bit more. Right, so here we've got them. They go in, as I said, into the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. Keep an eye on them because when the edges get a bit brown, they're basically ready to come out. So here they are out of the oven. Took a bit longer. These were 10 minutes, but every oven is different. I'm going to take them off here and drape them over the rolling pin. These are smaller ones. If you want them to have a real towel shape, maybe slightly bigger. And keep one flat. Put it on the cooling rack. Second one here, and the third. And that's it. Now all we have to do is enjoy them when they're cooler. So these are now cool and ready to eat. They should be slightly crunchy on the outside and yummy and slightly gooey in the middle. Bon appetit, and thank you for watching.